morning, everybody. I am still so thirsty from last night. I ate duck noodles, the carbonara one, which was so delicious. I even sliced up some steak. Back in the day, I would be able to eat ramen no problem, but now I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going into a sodium overdose because I drank half of this water bottle last night and I didn't wake up to go pee. Something's going on here. Something's not right. I don't know. Either way, I am so thirsty, and now I feel like I really want to lock in and just embody health, wellness, purity. I think that's gonna be the vibe for today's vlog. I just wanna reset, refresh, and get my life together. I don't think my outfit has looked any cooler. I don't think I'm gonna need this. This is like hardcore protection. I feel like this is a little over the top right now, especially because the UV index is 2. All right, it's time to give Cheeky a little walk. I love the fact that it's dripping. Wow, that is unreal. The issue is when I have an iced matcha latte, they go so quickly, like that. It's so good. Oh yeah, it's about time, folks. The closet's looking real swollen. Yeah, it's time for me to do a closet refresh. I always know I'm due for one because I feel like I have nothing to wear. That's obviously a lie. I have plenty to wear, but I just I'm forgetting the inventory. So I'm gonna make a little game plan right now. I only wanna spend max an hour. I don't wanna spend any more than an hour on this. I'm running a tight ship today, so I'm gonna spend an hour on this and then I'm gonna see how far I get. We are back 1 hour and a half later. I got very carried away with the closet, but I feel like we've made some really, really good progress. Let me show you. Come here. I've got my pajamas and hats folded. I also did a run through of all my bottoms and color coordinated them. This was probably the most time consuming part. I just feel like I have a way better inventory of all the items in my closet. A lot of the items that survived my wardrobe cleanouts was if I thoughtfully purchased the items. Because I feel like as I've gotten older, it's about buying better as opposed to more, which is why I partnered with Quince. So I'm actually wearing both of the items right now. These are all items that I thoughtfully picked out because I was noticing some gaps in my wardrobe. First up, we've got just a heather gray soft tank. I love that the materials are natural. I also got a brown belt with studs around it. Very well made. And a beautiful way to add some glimmer to the belly. I love the detailing of a top like this. It's got this kind of micro rouging and it looks formal while still being so insanely comfortable. And finally, we have my summer dress of the moment. It's this micro gingham print that I am going to be floating around the house in and outside. It's just such a well-constructed dress. It's got pockets. I love the fact that I'm getting luxury items, but 50 to 80% less. And it's because Quince directly cuts the middleman and works directly with the ethical factories. And they also have over 3,000 Trustpilot reviews to back that claim up. Download the Quince app for app exclusive offers or head to their website, quince.com/JennM. You can get free shipping on your order and 365-day returns. That's the whole year. They're available in Canada and the UK too. Once again, that's Quince, that's QUINCE.com/JennM. I'll also leave that in the description box, so head on over. When I'm cleaning things up, I imagine putting things away in its specific home. Like this sheer skirt, instead of being oh, I need to clean this up. I'm like, no, I need to house this. Where does this belong? It belongs in the long skirt category, nestled between the brown and the polka dot skirt. check out my lovely little lunch. I made a sandwich, of course. Every time I get the cheddar jalapeno bread, I can just eat hunks and hunks of it. It is absolutely delicious. Today I'm using salmon leftovers. I just added some sriracha and some mayo. Wow, this looks amazing.
On the Sunday Times bestsellers list. Welcome to the club, children. But to me...
You guys got back there?
All right, guys, I am about to head out to my meeting, but I wanted to do a quick little outfit of the day. Vavoom! It is scorching outside, so this is as formal as I'm gonna get. I paired this quince top with a lacy cream skirt and then some brown flats. Just gonna wear my everyday purse, and this is gonna be as good as my outfit is gonna get. All right, let's head out. Of the evening, just changed into a skirt and some boots. Today, I'm gonna try this. This is a self-tanner. I have never used self-tanner in my life before. But honestly, it's because I'm sick of this. This part of the thigh is my problem area, along with the feet. Let's give it a go. I feel like it would make a big difference. Step 1, for an even, streak-free tan, ensure your skin is clean, exfoliated, and free of moisturizers. Done. Step 2, apply desired amount of Bondi Sands product to the application mitt. Use long, sweeping motions to apply product to legs, arms, and body. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's so cool. Can't believe I've never used self-tanner before. I gotta take my shirt off. I wanna start doing my whole belly and everything. Okay, I think I understand how people get addicted to self-tanner. It is incredible. This is the first time in my life I've seen my body with 0 tan lines. I feel like I haven't been living until now. My only wish is I started this last night because I don't know how much this is gonna develop by 1 o'clock. Today I am getting ready to go to a music festival. We're going to Hard. It is a very concrete festival, but the lineup is always really good. I think my first Hard festival I went to was back in 2016. It's gonna be extremely hot, so I wanna make sure my makeup lasts. So I'm adding Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip, and then I'm just gonna let that sink in. I want a foundation that is gonna stay pretty matte. The NARS Natural Matte Longwear Foundation would be a good shout. I'm gonna do an underpainting technique where I'm gonna do concealer and bronzer first. Since I am tan, I'm gonna go ham with the bronzer. This is Summer Friday's Bronzer Butter Balm in Sand. And then I'm gonna add the foundation. I'm in the shade Fiji for the NARS Natural Matte Foundation. At this point, I don't know when I'm gonna age out of music festivals. If anything, I'll probably stop going to certain ones where the crowd is too young or if the logistics are too inconvenient. At the end of the day, I like going to music festivals because I like music. I feel like there's almost something spiritual that happens when that many people are all coming together, listening to music, chanting the same lyrics. It just makes me profoundly happy. And so I think I'm gonna be the type of person that is gonna go to a festival until I'm like 45, 55. As long as my body allows me to go, I will attend. I've noticed this trend in makeup where people are going for like that really light, I think Zendaya at the Odyssey premiere, like that fresh-faced glowing look for the summer months. But for me, when it's hot, I kind of want something smoldering. Like think of like Slave for You, Britney Spears era. Like she's in a heat wave, but she's got full glam on. Like that's the kind of vibe I want to go for. So I'm gonna go in with Bobbi Brown's Rusted Pink, and I'm gonna put that all over the lids. This is like a beautiful metallic shimmery rose color. Almost leans copper, but it looks really beautiful with brown eyes. I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay's eyeliner. This is in their Wine Spill. I want this makeup to really last, so I'm gonna start setting this cream base. I'm also gonna get this dark mauve shade and I'm gonna start stamping my lower lash line, just so it doesn't budge. It's like the same concept of powdering your face down. All right, guys, this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? I love full glam, it's the best. As I wait for my self-tanner to develop, I thought that it'd be a great time to refresh my pantry. It's just looking a little crammed, especially this bottom corner. Like, oof, there's a lot. So I'm gonna start by just emptying out everything first. What do you think about that? You know, a little cookie jar. Now they look like Air One cookies, even though they're not. Now this is what I'm talking about. 45 minutes. And now my pantry looks incredible. Now I know exactly where the gaps of my food order tomorrow. May I present to you my tan, my self-tanned legs. I would say it's a big improvement from what we started with. Like, look at that. Still a little bit lighter, but honestly, huge improvement. Yeah, it looks like we're running low on a few items. It's not too bad, but since it is Monday, I want to do a fridge reset. Quick little outfit of the day. Wearing an eyelet sleeveless top, some denim jeans. I feel like it looks a little shim hair. So, quince belt. This is just gonna add a little glimmer. Oh yeah. The outfit went from basic to elevated. Now we are ready for the grocery store. The fake tan is still kind of, I wouldn't say it's going strong, but it definitely served its purpose over the weekend. Guys, I am so stoked with how lunch came out. This doenjang is the one to get. If you ever see it at the Korean Mart, you have to get it. It is a game changer. It makes the most delicious broth. It's spicy. I don't know how else to describe it, but it just feels like a hug for the soul. Good evening, everyone. It is time for us to do the splits because your girl has been slacking. I think it's been 4 weeks, like a month since I've stretched. If I'm gonna be so honest, I stopped stretching because I feel like I am making zero progress on my splits. Come on. I feel like this is exactly where I started. It looks like I have made zero progress. Come on, guys. What the heck is this? You'd think I'd be a little further along. A very kind subscriber sent me this video of how someone was able to do the splits. So let's watch it together. I feel like my brain's so fried. I already forgot all the moves she's done. I feel like this is where I just need to find a YouTube video. Splits, stretching, routine. 30-minute stretches. Oh my gosh, it's Cassie. She has one.
Cassie here.
Wow.
Your hips and your hamstrings are really just loose.
You know what? This is what I'm talking about.
If you feel like you can't touch the floor, that is okay. I want you to lengthen your spine and then drop the knee. Probably have tight hips. You can stay right here if you already feel it. You want to go past comfort. And I want you to slowly come down into that split, okay? So again, if you are here or yoga blocks, we've got to be strong in our splits too.
Or maybe it just feels like I'm doing the splits because there's a pillow right there, but I think this is the furthest down I have ever got. This is the furthest down I've ever gone with my splits. And this is just after watching this video once. What a difference that made. But honestly, this makes so much more sense. I just did like a 30-minute stretch specifically for the splits. Of course my splits are going to be more warmed up. I feel like now I'm on the right trajectory. If I really want to get very serious about my splits, I gotta do this. I'm imagining myself doing this every other night. I'm going to be in a way better position. Just you wait. Just you wait.